Hey, sixth grade. You like my fancy headphones here? Got my little speaker thingy. Going to talk to you here a little bit about what this next month of e-learning is going to look like for you guys. So, we're going to be studying volcanoes and earthquakes, which, as I wrote in the directions to today's assignment, is a topic that I always save right until the very end because it's something that kids really enjoy doing. And I have a lot of neat materials for you as we study that topic. But right now, what I've noticed is that many of you are not showing me grit. We talked about grit at the beginning of the school year. Grit is that idea of pushing through obstacles to accomplish a goal. And right now, I get it. Totally, I get it. The obstacles that you are dealing with are you're bored, okay? You're tired of e-learning. Um, Even if we were in regular school, you're ready to be done. I get it. The weather is beautiful outside. I get that. But I'm going to ask you to please keep showing grit. Just one more month. Because what I'm seeing is that some of you, and I'm going to be honest, most of you are doing only enough to get by. Okay? You're turning in work just to click turn it in. Some of you are clicking turn in without even turning in the work. You're not showing that you're really trying to make yourselves get smarter. And if you remember, I told you at the beginning of the year, if you're willing to put forth the effort, you will get smarter. And unfortunately, what I'm seeing is about 80% of you that you're not putting forth the effort. And if you're honest with yourselves, you know that. You're not even trying to get smarter. You're just doing as little as possible. You know those brain pop movies that you were able to make. First of all, a lot of you didn't even make them, and those of you who did make them, it looks like you spent what 90 seconds, if even that. I mean, what's that about? That's not about grit. That's not about trying. That's not about producing work that you can be proud of. And I need to name some names for you um, of some kids that have done some slam dunk, I can't believe their grit work. Okay, people who have taken this opportunity and they are choosing to get smarter. And they're just doing some fantastic work. Jocelyn Torres, I couldn't be prouder of you, Jocelyn. You're doing such a great job. Lindsay, Natalie, you girls, you're hard workers and you have continued to be hard workers. And I'm proud of the work that you're turning in. Um, Kaylee Walker, oh my word. Kaylee, everything you turn in is just wonderful. I love seeing what you do. Evelyn Steffen, same. I like the work, love the work that you're turning in. I can tell you're working really hard. Evie Krogman, Maddie Flores. Again, two girls that are just really, really consistently working hard. And I would like to be able to say that about all of you during this next month. I would like, as you study volcanoes and earthquakes, I would like you to produce work that you're proud of. Because really, that's what grit is about. It's about pushing through the obstacles so that you can feel proud of yourself. And right now, I feel like there's a lot of you that if I had to ask you on a scale of 1 to 10, how proud are you of the work that you're doing, if you were honest, you'd be on the low end. You'd be on a 1, a 2, or a 3. Because you're not showing the work that you're capable of doing. So you've got one more month to get smarter, to prove to yourself what your character is, to prove to yourself what kind of grit that you have. So let's have a great month of doing your absolute best. All right, one more month.